From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
On my first day visiting Kyoto, I went down to my hotel restaurant for their complimentary breakfast and had eggs, pancakes, and pickled plum to start my day. Yes, pickled plum. But that is for another episode. This episode is about Japanese fluffy pancakes. Pancakes are not originally from Japan, but the Japanese have a way of taking ideas from other cultures and adding their own unique twist of perfection. Let's recreate Japanese soufflé pancakes to perfection.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.